you. Hey! Oh! Get it, get it, get it.
Headed up to Daytona. Firecracker 400, maybe. We'll see. Isaac, do you see Ashton's ears? Oh my God. You see his ears? It's toasted. This is what we're headed towards. Unfortunately, this is what summertime racing entails.
What about his hands?
Oh my God. The radar. Splash! Put a snapshot on now. Looks terrible for 7 o'clock. I've heard of this race taking till 2 in the morning because of rain. Well, trying to get in here. Parking's always the fun part. Oh, Pop's handicapped, so boys get a cart ride. Go ahead, get in there. Get in. Be a VIP. These donut ones are getting pretty big now, aren't they? Donuts on everything. Yeah. Does that scare you? You touch it, you buy it, dude. Now you gotta buy it. You gotta drive it home. It's only a supercharged LT4. This thing will smoke the tires. I think you guys don't know what that means yet. Coke 400, come get Coke. What kind do you want?
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah. I'm gonna try that vanilla orange.
Vanilla orange? Do you like creamsicles?
Yeah, I do.
It tastes
that
like
a
an
shot.
orange creamsicle.
Nice.
There you go, man.
Sweet. Yeah, Isaac.
How about you, man?
I like this little cup. It's kind of cool. What do you think? Like a creamsicle with Coke, though. That's why it kind of tastes like Coke creamsicle.
Right now, Mr. Daniel Hemrick in the house. What's up, buddy?
Yeah, man. Did you get NASCAR?
I didn't get it.
Listen,
got it?
Yeah.
what happens
Try it again.
for you personally when
in the hall with all the guys. I didn't have a
wife?
Yeah, with that. I didn't have a fancy motor coach and all this stuff, but you go cup racing, you get a lot more amenities. Yeah, bless you over here. That's awfully nice of you.
Hey, I'm a nice guy. That's what happens when you roll up here.
That's exactly right. I'm glad I'm rubbing off on you.
Finally.
No, so yeah, typically.
He got shoes on. You don't need it's bare feet, dude. All right. You know, a little military. You get a frozen coat. You. That's not bad. Yeah. Blasted. All right. Free stuff. There you go. Nice. Papa got a hat. He's happy. There you go. Make Coca-Cola great again. you're not supposed to touch the race car across the line. Oh yeah. I want to drive one. Can I take this home? Have some fun in the parking lot.
Yeah, you start with a midget racer.
Yeah, no kidding. Gotta start somewhere. Yeah, no, that's a NASCAR. Well, too good.
You can put that in a T Roadster or just about
a
anything.
Roadster or something be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, think fast. Got you one too.
Oh, nice.
There, again. Oh. All right, so see, we go spin the wheel. That's the Toyota gate. All right. That's pretty cool.
It's already full.
Ah, it's a cardboard one, huh? Cool, go make
Free
it.
headset.
You gotta make it. Oh, what do you see, Ashton? I did this one last time.
Race fans, it's race time in Daytona. Come on over, put those VR goggles on. Get those family photos in front of the number 42 car. We've got a brand ambassador. Be glad to take your photo with your cell phone. Test your reaction skills on our Pit Crew Challenge. All complimentary to everyone.
And you actually get to pay with your phone.
the pump versus putting your
Okay.
foot into the pump. We're working on
All right,
a
we got the super prize. All right, you gotta hold on to it. Come on. All right, I'll finish out the details. We'll put Pops info on here.
What if you did the trash can?
Put it in. Go ahead, spin.
What if you did the trash can? What if
Touch it.
you reset it?
Touched it.
There it goes. Nope. Nothing safe about this. Oh, 7-night resort stay, dinner show.
Did I under?
Your turn.
And how are you gonna catch it? Yeah, 50 cal on there. Nah, it's a little smaller than the
Yeah,
time.
quite a bit smaller, 765, I think.
You guys hear that sound of that motor? You like the mirrors? That's how you get a crowd. Just fire up a car. That's what we're actually here to see. Just bring it in. Oh, my wound. That's a good dog. You don't mind that sound? That's loud. Oh, you're a good laugh. Woo! That dude, Ashton River would be like, ah, freaking out. $20, go to them. Go, go. Oh, sure how it's done. Go. 20 bucks, dude. Go. I ain't got no time for this. Go. Sure how it's done. All right, there you go.
Get it, get it, get it.
Hit him with the flops. There you go. Nice. See, that wasn't that hard.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Flex Seal. Get some Flex Seal. That stuff works good.
Yeah, now we have flex tape.
Deal's a deal. Oof. I don't lose that. It's cash money, man. You guys gonna party with that. Go check out Jet. Get a cool pic with the Jet. Go ahead, stand over there. I don't mind tail wings. It doesn't have to be that ugly yellow kid.
I think it was.
Some old cars. All right, Pops, you have one of these. Hold on.
You stole him one of these.
There you go. Oh, Daddy's gonna try this Mustang out. Ooh, that's kind of sleek. Here, take a picture of me, Ash. Good. Smell good. You know how to ship that? Nope. That's a handbrake. That's the shifter. First, second, up to the right, third, down, fourth, back up, fifth.
Oh, I'm gonna go 6. 6. 6.
Yeah. You know what? Whoa. Oh, you do a manual, you'll never, ever drive an automatic. Ever. Start midget racing. Just work your way up. The whole shot seat. Alright. Well, they came down. Smelt it. Let's cross my fingers. Boys are playing hacky sack with Flex Seal. We lost Pops. We're gonna go find it. You trying to put a garbage bag on to get in the rain? Alright, let's go. Good.
Hi guys, welcome. You guys need some earbuds?
You want some beer? Thank you. I forgot some. You want some Pops? I like the noise, but
Oh, all right.
thank you though.
For your ears.
That's it. That's the very end. That's the end of the racetrack right here. So we have our section. We just gotta have the rain stop. If and when. Oh my God.
Don't get
Pretty cool. We can just get the rain to go away. Oh, look at the driving. Is that drying team? There they go. Oh man, it's a lot of money in tickets just to watch some water run around the racetrack. Got an airplane taking off.
It's not a big jump.
Dryer, start your engine. Like, oh, I've been held. Oh, Schwab. Oh, so cool. They got their name on it. Holy moly. Look at that big old flag. Almost done with the rain. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, that's like huge odds. Not as bad as a lot. Ashton forgot about the helmets. Go ahead, go stick your head in there. Boom. Go helmets! Oh, you're fine. You're just gonna climb in here. Ashton trying to find his signature. What do you think it was?
I remember it being by a pole. That's all I remember. Yeah, it might be wrong.
Yeah, someone might have wiped it. Hard to find. Maybe this guy's truck in video games. All right, let's roll. Literally, they're interviewing the guy about playing Fortnite because they're trying to stall for time. That is how big that game is. Come on, boys. Let's go. Yeah, that's a funny fate. All right, how's this work? Take a picture. All right. Oh, I'm over here. Fruits.
Coming to get ya.
So you have to eat every fruit, right? Boost. Mario Brothers.
No, come on. Eat the
Well,
watermelon.
you're not gonna race, play a race. Boo. That's it, folks. It was postponed. I knew that rain was gonna get the best of it. Till 1 o'clock tomorrow. Let me see. You look like E.T.
Ashton, do it again.
We're gonna blow this popsicle stand. Come back tomorrow. Continue vlogging. Maybe. Not sure. Yeah.
Driving all the way back.
The lake's dried up, so we're gonna go for it now. All right, here we go. Round two. We were definitely tired. Got another hour and a half home, hour and a half back. But guess who came? Sammy, birthday girl.
Sammy gets to go.
Let's go.
Gets to go.
It's your
Big
birthday.
racetrack.
Happy birthday.
Thank you guys. Bummer. All the vendors are wrapped up. No free Coke Ices. We'll just have to get some inside. Sorry, Summer. They don't reopen for the next day. He'll zap them for you. Turn them over. There you go. Go ahead, he'll zap them for you. How you doing? Yep, we might have to come back tomorrow. Look at that. Big old waterfall on the escalator. Loud, you gotta be real loud. Give me Nascar without pressing.
Here we go. Got it? $14 there for you.
Summer's got to use her outdoor voice. You got to use your outdoor voice.
Outdoor voice.
Yes. Loud. Too loud. Wait till the car starts.
Is our flag. May we honor, may we respect, and may we display over the land.
Pace car.
By each and every one of
Yeah, like the green one. Look at that, Summer. Wow. About to cut them loose here. Summer and Ash aren't ready for this type of noise. We got little earplugs. Oh God, here we go. Oh, is that loud, Summer? Ashton, is that loud? We should have brought earplugs. There we go. Awesome. Watch them come around. We do short films, and we'll roll this one a little bit. Hurry! You gotta get those in, some of them coming back again. Let's go to the... Let's go. Sorry, Veterans zone's closed. Oh, look at that. There you go. Get your button, girl. Guy. Thank you.
Service, though, I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's all right. We just want to make sure we didn't walk too far. Veterans is closed. We're not getting that. We're going to go out here and take a look, though. Right, here we go. Gotta take that green flag. It's hot out there, kids are in tow. We're going to the center, to the finish line, see what we can get a hold of. Too many people to deal with out here. You give me a marker? Come up here, come on. The boys go borrow a marker. Come on, look at this, come here. Let's do, we're right by the racing, right? How about, want to come out here? Come here. Oh, right here. That one right there. There you go. Sign it in. Ricky Bobby.
Back at Daytona, 103 laps complete now. We just got to to the checkered flag here, the Coke-Zero shutout. That gives us an opportunity for Coca-Cola to present the feel of summertime with the driver, Austin Dillon. A member of the Coca-Cola Racing Family's
midget band. Soft to midget band, huh? We got a sub to you now, huh? Oh, and it's slick. This guy's got We Run cars. I don't know what that is. Go ahead, We Run car? No. This is a running crew. Oh, running crew. We Run class. Right. Go ahead. Red summer, salty. Oh yeah, I'm Lego man. Midget man. Oh god. I'm Lego race car driver. Yeah. Quarter major. I should try to film a little bit here. I'll show you what I was riding real quick here. All right. There it is. Yeah. Yep. Somebody got heated. There they go, knocking them all out. Oh my god. Oh, alright, come in here, Summer. You see it? Oh man, they're gonna be coming in here like crazy. Look right there. Wow. What's that, Summer? Stopping indefinitely? Yeah, it's what you do when a storm's hit. Ride the escalator. Yeah. They wanted to ride the escalator a little bit.
Walks all the way down.
So you're season 1, 22 season of
season 3
of Prison Break.
Prison Break.
And Walker, Texas Ranger.
Right.
All right, I'll send this to my mom. On the race. Now, kids want to check out the pit shop. Oh, lows. Alright, go ahead and check it out. Ooh, race car. Speed limit 215. 215? Ain't coming down my road. 215. Yeah. That's motorcycle speed limit. Oh, NASCAR. I don't know about that.
Because it's red and yellow.
McDonald's sponsors it. Ooh, McDonald's. Ooh,
oh no, it's just Pennzoil.
Oh, Pennzoil. That's not McDonald's.
But it's red and
It runs on French fry oil.
It's red and yellow. Oh, I remember.
Sit Ashley with that.
Yep.
That's the America. America.
Roar.
Gator eats America. Gator eats America.
This one's called. What's it called? What's it called?
Gator Man.
Oh my god. You didn't even fall down the You didn't even fall down laughing. I was playing.
Just for a moment.
All right, guys. Let's see if we can get this going.
Daddy, can you put this in my ears?
Yep. He's coming towards you.
You believe that shit?
I'll tell you another one. No, I watch this. Come on, Ashton, go get it. Oh, you hit. Yes, no, here we go. Step back, man. Here comes the mean muscle. Oh, Ashton. Oh!
Come on, TV cameraman.
Come on, man. Throw that foosball, Bobby. Hey, foosball, Bobby. Police are down. Oh, Bobby. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. America. Show it back! Show it back! Get it, kid! Yeah! Whoa! No, we're fine. That's a little windy. It's doing a circle back. It's coming back a little bit. Gotta hold your head, son. I think we're over it. They're waiting for perfect conditions for the last 28 laps. We're done. Yeah.
Look at the fireworks all the time.
I know. It's one of the best fireworks shows ever. Oh, so everybody's got to go home. We are gone. Come on. Ashton, get out of there. Come on. Yeah, Florida boy. You ain't going to melt.
Woo! My hat almost.
Where did you see secret down there?
Secret. No,
That's it. That's it.
Okay. You're Sue, you're not Sum.
You're so Sue.
Okay.
Get in, Summer.
Oh, you got a giant one.
Oh, no, there's not a whole horsey.
Yo, let's get it. You mix. Ooh, Dale Earnhardt Jr.
Where's Jimmy Johnson? Tony Stewart. Oh, never. Oh, no. What year is this? Oh, I don't even know.
Kyle Busch. Yes, M&M's.
Kyle Busch. 18.
M&M's.
Holy moly.
Come on, Summer. Summer, wrong button. Mom,
Summer, hammer down.
Wrong one. No. Oh, my Summer.
Don't worry about it.
Ah, no.
You're done, dude. Let's cross your fingers.
Reset. Okay.
Oh, that was easy. Can they do that in the real race?